Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again friends. After Google Chrome, Edge has received the ability to generate a QR code for the URL of an open page. The generated QR code will encode the open page URL. It is possible to read the generated ID with a compatible device, for example, with your phone's camera, and share the URL between devices quickly. The QR code generator is now available in Edge Chromium Canary, which it shares the Chromium 84 codebase, which includes the appropriate option. Now both browsers share the same feature. The browser ships with a flag that allows enabling QR code creation. It is still a work in progress as of this writing, so it is not enabled by default. If you are enthusiastic enough to try it in action, here is how to get it. The steps below assume that you have installed the latest Edge Canary. In this video, you'll learn the steps to share page URL via QR code in Microsoft Edge Chromium. Use these steps to enable QR code generator in Microsoft Edge Chromium. First, update Microsoft Edge to the latest build. And open Microsoft Edge Chromium. Next, type the following text in the address bar. And select the option Enable from the drop-down list next to the Enable Sharing Page via QR Code line. Next, click the Restart. You are done. Next, use these steps to share page URL via QR code in Microsoft Edge Chromium. First, open the web page and click Generate QR code for this page icon.